Today I want to talk about portable apps. Now, I know you guys are going, what is portable apps? Well, portable apps or portable applications is programs that you use on a daily basis like Chrome, Firefox, and stuff like that can actually be put on a USB thumb drive and taken anywhere you go. And you can plug it into any computer system and use those same apps. So if you're working on a Word document or something like that, and someone's computer don't have those options on there and you have your files saved on that same flash drive, you can use that. So it makes things a lot easier if you, for instance, go to a friend's house, they don't have what you need, it's right there on the flash drive. Plug it in, you're on your way. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is show you that is it's called portableapps.com. They have a application, like I said before, as you can see this little diagram here of the different apps you can install on this here. And as far as in the applications, they got a lot of applications that you can choose from. And these guys have been around for years. So when it comes to apps, you can choose anything you want to put on there. It is pretty much broken down to different types of categories. And accessibility, development, you can see all the different things they have for development, education, games, or if you're into games, they got a big list of games here. Graphics and pictures, they have editors for graphics and pictures, as you can see. Internet, different things from like web browsers, or you have feed readers, um, a lot of different things that you can use for the internet. Also, they have music and video, different things when it comes to that. Office stuff here. One of my videos mentioned about Office, which has Apache Office and makes it portable on there. Security. So on security, you have antivirus programs on here, even a firewall. You can use those. Different utilities on here as well too. And as you can see that they have a lot of options when it comes to this portable application. So if you want to, all you have to do is click on the download area here and you can download it onto your computer system. Now, I already done that already here. Now, when it comes to that, what you'll need is a flash drive. Far as how big a flash drive depends on how many apps you plan to use. Me, I have a 32 gig 32 gig flash drive right here. So I have enough space to do what I need for that. Now what I want to do is go ahead and go to my downloads, because when I download it goes to here. I'll double click on that. Go through the installation with you here. As you see here, I'll process this for you here. Just follow the steps. You click on next. You click on agree for the license agreement. You can do a new install or upgrade, or you can select this location. You can click on next. It'll be you can do portable, cloud, local. So you don't have to actually put it on a flash drive. You can put it on your computer if you want to do that. That's your choice as well. On this one here, we'll be doing portable. We'll click on next, and it'll show up the hard drive or the flash drive in our case here, which will be that one. We click on next. And if you not sure if you want that, we can always go back and click on a different drive if you have multiple drives. Click on install. So what it's going to do is going to go ahead and install. If you want to do it, you can look at the details. It will show you what it is actually going to be putting on your hard drive or your flash drive. All the icons and things like that that you will be seeing on that. Now, one thing about this application here is, or your flash drive will be used for all your programs. You go to another computer that have Windows on there, it will go ahead and actually pop up when you pop it in. But I will show you all that here in a second. Now, if you have Microsoft, this will pop up. It's thinking of some type of virus, like most things there, and it thinks you're having an issue trying to access your hard drive. it's been blocked. What you need to do is say allow on this device. Hit yes. This way you won't have any problems later on in the future. Now we'll go ahead and keep that. Click on Run Portable Apps Platform. So now, since you have it on your system, that what it's going to do, it's going to pull up on your flash drive here. Now, as your platform, it tells you what's new about it, sponsors, and the applications. Right now, you have no apps right now. As you can see, you don't really have anything here when it comes to your apps. But right now, it's going to check the portable app directory. From there, you on your portable drive. So right now, it takes a minute to go through because it's going online and trying to pull a big list of different ones that you want to have installed on your device. Once it's done, all you have to do is use what you have here. But again, it will take some time to load all of this here. Me, I have a different USB thumb drive with mine already installed with this program on here. And I use this all the time. Mine is a custom built USB. I have more than just that on there. So now, like I said before, you don't have anything on there. If you click on apps and get more apps, you can do by category, title, new releases, or recent updated. Let's go by category. Now, these are the different ones I was telling you online that you do have. So for right now, it's going to take time if I'm doing multiple ones. So let's see here. Should I do accessibility, development, education? No, we don't need games. Graphics, internet. Let's do Google Chrome because we're definitely going to need a browser. We click on next. And we'll give it a second because I have to access the website, the server, to get the files. Now, once it's done, it will download it. As it's doing that, it's going to download from the actual site. Once it downloads it, it will go ahead and install it. And from there, once it's downloaded and installed, it will go ahead and let you use that particular app. And it'll tell you how long it will take to download the actual app. If it has multiple files for that particular app, then it will download those ones as well. And it will take some time, depends on which app you are using. This one here, it's getting there. It's installing. Shouldn't take too much longer here. And since you're using Google Chrome, you're going to follow their license agreement, which you'll go through. And it shouldn't take too much longer to install on a flash drive. Now, when it comes to your flash drive there, depending on your computer system too, if you have 3.0 far as in the USB port, then it shouldn't take too much longer. But if you're using 2.0 drive, it'll take some time. Plus, again, it depends on the speed of your computer system too. So we'll give it a second here. But yes, it is a good program to use. As you can see, you can choose what you want on there, and you have a lot of possibilities on how you want to use your flash drive when it comes to those different apps. From internet to a word processor, it's all in one. If you have files that you have you on the go, you don't have a program at a different computer to use that, it's right there. So you should be good to go when it comes to that. Every so often, we'll check to make sure it's updated as well. Alright, so your new portable apps has been installed and now available in the portableapps.com menu. So now, click on Internet. You have Google Chrome. So now, anywhere you go and you want to use your Google Chrome, it'll be right there on your flash drive. And that'll be it. So there you go. as your Google Chrome. You've already a Google Chrome user, you sign in with your Google account, and that's it. All your settings will be saved on that actual flash drive. Now, if you're on Windows, that will come up there with the virus and threat protection. What you would do, just like you did before there, come up over here and pretty much just tell it to allow it through. We'll go ahead and close that out because we're done with this here. And far as in that, like I said before, like last time, you go through, it'll pull up your actions up here for protection history. And it was blocked. Hit yes. Actions, allow. And yes. Now, FYI, if you're working with another computer system like Windows 10 or Windows 11, you plug this in, you try to use that application, this will pop up. This will let you know. So make sure you allow it. If you don't allow it, it will block it every time. You won't be able to use it. Now, that's been done. Now, far as in that there, this is mine. So I'm going to go ahead and eject it out of here once I close it. Sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and actually close it out. Yes. We'll go click on yes. Now, when it comes to Google Chrome, it will not let you close out anything until you do that. It's like a safety feature, so you don't lose any of your files and whatnot. So now we can go back and eject. Okay. Now, this is the little guy I'm using here when it comes to my portable apps. Now, if Windows works correctly like it should, hopefully it will, as soon as you plug that in, usually it will work on any computer system that have Windows on it. And if it doesn't work the way it should be, you can still go about it and actually get it to pull up. Now, as far as our flash drive, it shows, okay. Now, usually it would pop up as far as in this here. So what we're going to do, and we're going to open this up here. Let's go ahead and, sorry, here. Let's go here. I already have it open. All right, so hard drive. Now this is the program. Normally it will open up when it comes to inserting a flash drive. If it doesn't open up, all you have to do is pretty much come over here and double click this here. Double click it. And there you go. Like I said before, it depends on the way your Windows is set up. I believe I have mine not to do that on this computer system. But there you go. You can download more apps if you want to when it comes to this here. The possibilities are endless, as you saw. Again, when you go to another computer system there, make sure when it comes to that, you saw there for the virus security, allow it through. If you do not, it will not let you run it. Now, far as in this here, if it doesn't pop up when you pop it in, go to the hard drive that you have it set for, click on start.exe, and it will pull up this here, and you should be set to go. Now when it comes to that, you have a bunch of different options on here as well. And let's see here, when it comes to updater, you can do the beta platform release. App Store, you can do automatic show on 64-bit Windows, always and never, you can do that. You get different themes. You can choose different colors, backgrounds, and so forth on that there, as you can see. That's a lot of different things. As far as in connection, you can set it up for automatic, or if you need to do a direct connection. You can go through any of these options here and pretty much set it up the way you want it. So there you go. Far as in that, hopefully everything will work smoothly. If you have any questions about this at all, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Well, thank you for coming to Joe's Tech Corner, and you guys have yourself a great day. Thank you, and you take care.